goodness. Oh my gosh.
What?
Our backyard. Our backyard.
Oh shit, that door. Hi.
Our
I'm
backyard.
worried about getting
Look
too
at the
much food.
backyard.
I see it, Morgan. I got it.
Oh my gosh. I'm just filming this. I'm not posting it on YouTube or anything, but oh my gosh. I'm closing all the windows, you know.
Oh my god.
What?
The pole thing came off where you're hanging on the fence. Oh shit. I've got to find a hoodie. There's different shoes. I can put the coupons off. The color one on.
Alright, can I call you back? You want to get off the car?
Yep, love you, bye. Alright, bye. We'll get the flashlights on.
Where are the flashlights? Okay. I guess I'll use my phone camera. But yeah. Look at this. You can't really see much of it. But there's hail. Go back downstairs. I don't really know what I mean by couple of not much of my things. Because you know. Bathroom. Nothing here to take down. Wait. Close in the dark. Definitely need that. Oh, my painting I never finished from last night.
Alright?
Yeah. Getting a couple things. See?
No, I can't see because you're shining the light in my face. Oh, your watch.
My watch and Cinderella. Hail, hail, hail. Shut what door? One sec. Ice.
It's hell.
That's interesting. I put hail from the front yard into the backyard. Yeah, I stopped my last video. I'm filming this one now. Yeah. Then I'm gonna put California Girls as one as the audio. What video?
She just said, I was showing
I thought you said that was the area that Daddy passed.
Headlights! Headlights!
Yeah, that's smoke. It's not funny. Did you see that? It lifted up. The thing that, you know the sign that says authorized vehicles only?
Yeah.
It lifted up at the ground.
There's people coming through here. I don't know why they were saying people coming.
Oh, there's a. Do you see that?
What?
The tree.
What?
Do you see the tree? It's went this way. Do you see that?
Where? Where? Oh, down there?
Yes.
I think that's a hole.
Yeah. The. Well, whatever it is,
Why
it.
aren't the cars able to come this way?
I don't know. Oh my gosh! Look at the roof on that house.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Get that. Get a picture of that.
Yeah, I have this all on video. I have this all on video. Oh my god. Oh, the whole half of that. 3/4 of that whole roof is just ripped right off. 3/4 of it. Oh my god.
You had a storm?
I think we had a tornado.
Yeah, 3/4.
This house literally has no roof.
Literally 3/4 of the roof is ripped off.
Yeah,
Like,
the roof is gone.
Oh, there's
Where are you
Judy.
at?
That's Judy in the cop car. That's Judy in the cop car.
We're at home. We're in Rossville. We just went out to see if David will be able to get through to get home.
We didn't even have rain.
We
It's
had,
sunny here.
Dad, we have no power. Don't know when it's coming back
There was
on.
hail.
There's hail. And this house literally has no roof. And David went by an overturned tractor trailer.
Where was this? Where did this hit? Just in Rossville?
I believe so.
Like,
Oh my god. The sewers are like flash flooded. The sewers
Wow.
the
Did
sewers,
it hit? Did it hit Collierville?
sewers turned into rivers. Yes.
shit. We have something bad that happened down here in Rossville.
There's
The
smoke.
fire departments are coming in from everywhere.
There's
we have
smoke
poles
and
down
police.
all over the place.
There's smoke and police
Where's that
everywhere.
at?
Down in the town. More. So David had to go this back way because 57's closed.
Oh no.
So what's? But you
Oh,
you
no.
can't see.
God.
I couldn't see. They've got the police down there. There's lines down in front of the Kellogg plant, which is by the police station and the fire department.
Did nothing hit your house?
Our house seems to be fine.
Well, I mean,
Okay, thank God.
a couple of our things, like,
Our backyard is a lake.
yeah, our backyard
yeah.
turned into a lake.
And I didn't get my computer off fast enough and shut down before the power went out, so I powered it down real quick so nothing would happen when the power came back on.
Yeah, I yelled at you.
I know, I had to close out my windows I had open, Morgan.
I know, sorry.
It,
People have pumps out. That person had a pump out.
Is it over? Is it over?
it appears to be.
More,
It's raining a little bit right
Yeah,
now,
more.
but it appears to be pretty well.
yeah, more or less, yeah,
But we just don't know when we're going to get power back.
ever. And I have school tomorrow.
Oh,
Oh, there's
you-
Natalie.
I know, Morgan.
Gianni.
Let me
though.
talk to Dad for 1 second,
But
okay?
Gianni.
Morgan, I'm gonna stop. Just chill for a minute.
I know.
You have to go late because you're going to the ENT in the morning.
I know.
All right.
Oh my
I'll
God.
call you back with an
Mother?
update.
Call me back later.
All right. Bye.
Bye.
Morgan, I'm pulling up. Just
I know.
Stop.
I haven't had my medicine.